A good, wonderful morning, everybody. We've got blue sky, so it's going to be a hot one again. Oh dear, it was nice yesterday. It's hot today, isn't it, Wolfie? She's so hot. Tikaani, what do you eat? She's just birdies that drop stuff, Dad. Tikaani, naughty girl. And Wolf is taking us for a walk today. So I don't know where we're going to end up. Never been down these roads. They're not far from home. I don't think we've been down here before. Is there somebody over there, Dad? There's one, I smell. There's something over there. Oh, I think that might be a caravan park. Back of a caravan park is there. Which explains why this is an empty block of land. So this is the other side of that vacant block that was over there. There's the caravans. So this, I think, used to be camping. Not caravans, some caravans. It's all closed down and there's an abandoned bathroom facility there. Kids have been active around here. Anybody want an old truck? No windows in it. Or an old Mitsubishi Lancer. Again, no windows left in it. It's dumped. And we got goats in the field. Well, the goats aren't doing a very good job protecting the vehicles. Goats. Tikaani's interested in the goats. She says, oh, I smell something over there. But they're not moving. They're just sitting there, just standing there. Oh dear. She says, I smell goats. I want to get to these goats. I want to get to these goats. I smell them. I smell goats. I want to roll in their poo and whatnot and get all dirty. Because it smells so good. There you guys. Oh dear. You get another bath if you do. But I smell them, Dad. Oh dear. It's bad enough seeing abandoned cars and trucks without having the windows all smashed in and whatnot. Tells you what sort of area it is over here. Look at that water, Dad. So inviting. Oh no. She says, I want to go in, Dad. Oh dear. Next best thing, just have a roll in the wet grass. I do have a duck. One lonely duck. Where there's one, there's got to be more. So this is all the over 55 village. All that land. It's all owned by one of these medical insurance firms.